Hello everyone, we are here to talk about the REST API enhancements in 15.9. In 15.9, we are providing a new API endpoint that allows you to get the user profile information. Why is this important? As customers and partners use REST API for integration, it is important to know the locale of the integrating user to ensure that the date and some of the other values are displayed correctly or are entered correctly during the integration itself. So that's why it is important to know what is the locale of the user being used for the REST API integration. This did not used to exist, but now moving forward, using the new endpoint, you can get the locale as well as some other information for that respective user. The new user API is right here, which is it's the virtual user profile. It only supports the get method, so you can only read the information back, you cannot write. And once you make this call, you will see the first name, last name, language, username, locale, and email. This allows from an integration perspective, be able to get the information and then take appropriate action based on the user configuration. With that, let's go and see how this API will work. In my case, I am going to use Postman. Again, you can use any other method to make the call, but I'm going to use Postman as a tool to make the call. Here is the new API endpoint that we have introduced, which is the virtual user profile. When I make this call, which is a get, I get the information for myself, which gives me all the name, the language, the email address that I have. If I go ahead and make any of the changes to my settings, so when I go into Clarity, I can change my language to, let's just say, now I want to get the information in Queen's English. If I go back to Postman, make a call, now my locale is in English, but UK English. That concludes the demo for the new endpoint for the REST API, the User Profile API.